Where was your mind at? This is a family show, okay? Hey, today I'm going to react to a Reddit post about how Young Living essential oils can help guys get some, if you know what I mean. Passion, helping you to do YouTube videos and not be awkward and be passionate about topics that have nothing to do with what I'm actually saying. But it smells awesome, like, I use this in my shower walls, by the way, so yeah, just saying. Anyways, let's get to the Reddit post and read that, because I think that's perhaps more relevant to what I was talking about before. Okay, here we go. It says, "Who knew MLM could get you?" And I'm not talking about Hawaii. All right, you know what I'm saying? No, okay. Again, this is a family show. We gotta keep it. Yeah, it's for all married couples. Okay, so it says here, on Christmas morning, she opens the card and voila, she's jumping up and down with joy, throws her arms around your neck, and tells you how grateful she is for you and how she loves you so. And then it got some emojis with the kissy face and stuff, like several. Yeah. Then giddily, she heads right to her computer, types in youngliving.com or my website on the graphic below. Shameless plug for that person. And orders that premium starter kit, exclamation point, followed by more exclamation points. Can you just visualize that? Multiple question marks behind that. And, all caps, then, ... Guess what happens after that? More question marks, not just one, multiple. Bunch of kissy face emojis, or the kissy, like this, it's like that thing, right there. Lipstick emoji? I don't know what you call it. Kiss lips? No? Lipstick emoji? Okay, I'm gonna stop. Okay, my part ends here. Winky face emoji. Oh, and very #important, especially for the rebate, make sure she has my member number of it's scratched out to place in the box on the order form where it asks for your enroller/sponsor. After she orders that premium starter kit through my member number, I'll send #you a #rebate of $20, and I'll gift her a 400 plus page oily reference book and a welcome goodie bag. Do let me know you've done this so I'll know where to send the #rebate to. Oh my goodness, you are now her #superhero. And then you get some comments underneath, and the hate begins. Apparently ends as well. Can essential oils and essential oil kit help guys get some? Well, if you're talking about getting some essential oils, then yes. Okay, where was your mind at? This is a family show, okay? Alright, so anyways, I think it's interesting that somebody left a Facebook post and then somebody had the desire to do a screenshot of it and then post it on Reddit, but then again, that's also not surprising because that's what they do in this thread. So that, I think at the end of the day, it's... Where do I even begin? Essential oils are designed to help you with many different health benefits, and they have lots of different uses, and they can replace what's in your bathroom, health, and kitchen cabinet. I think talking to the guys is another route, and it's kind of always weird for me when I talk about guys and essential oils, because number one, I am a guy, and then number two, I realize that the vast majority of people in network marketing, as well as the company I'm in, are women, and a lot are married and they're moms. And so to address, I mean, there are niches, and there's a saying, there's riches and niches, and there are obviously guys who are in network marketing, there's guys who are high up, and there's guys who are just starting, and that's cool. It's just an interesting play that they would use on the whole, like, the intimacy side of things. That's right. Because I don't know if that's what guys really care about. I mean, yeah, they kind of do, but I don't know. This is, yeah. I actually am speechless. I really don't even know what to say. I mean, that Like, this would not make me want to buy a kid. Like, I'd be like, even if I was married and was looking to, you know, I would probably be like, okay, I mean, can you understand what my needs and goals are, maybe? What about maybe developing some type of like relationship, non-romantic, on like figure out like if I know, like, and trust you and all that stuff. I mean, but that's cool. I mean, you got to put yourself out there. I'm not this post actually for Valentine's Day or for, you know, something like that. It's actually, you know, it's directionally correct. I think people, I don't know if that's going to do it for people, because they also have to have, I know Gary Vaynerchuk talks a lot about this, but you got to, like, it's called like jab, 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 right hook. So you got to build value, build value, build value in a relevant way for people. And then you can, you know, do the maybe more of like a right hook, which is kind of like a harder sale, or at least the pitch or something like that. So without seeing everything and everything like that, I think this may be potentially good if this was built off of a lot of value previously in education. But if it was just kind of like constantly hitting people with sales pitches, whether it's on our personal Facebook or a group or a business page, I think probably more education is needed. And then Facebook doesn't really show a lot of love in the Facebook pages unless you pay for ads. Groups can be good, but like the groups that I'm a part of on my Facebook team, like, they're huge, they're super engaged, but they're for clients or customers, wellness advocates, and there's just a spot for everyone. And that makes sense, but this is more for, it seems like, prospects. So if somebody is a prospect, then I think a relationship building would be better, getting to know each other, kind of figuring out what the needs and goals are. But anyways, that's just my 2 cents on all that. That's right. What do you think, though? Do you think this, I mean, would you be attracted to a message like this, or has this been effective for you? Or maybe what would you change about it to make it more effective? I think that's some things to think about. Otherwise, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and check out some of the links in the description below so you can read the actual Reddit post yourself, or some of the comments, because that's always the smackdown of kind of how things go down there. Yeah. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.